Hi lovely people, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? I hope you all fine, enjoying your life well. In today's video I'm going to show very beautiful and gorgeous look crochet keychains designs ideas. Get ready to create a unique and fashionable fantastic accessories. In this video we will be making a stylish and themed crochet keychains designs ideas using yarn and different techniques. Learn how to crochet this cute keychain to add a personal touch to your keys. So let's get started. First, let's start with the foundation chain. We will be using a multiple of number and stitches. Now let's add the pattern and texture. We will be using a combination of stitches, double crochet stitches and single crochet stitches. Use a stitch maker to keep track of your place in the pattern. Experiment with different yarn, color and embellishment to create these unique keychains designs ideas. From sweet and simple to intricate elegance, we will go a range of designs to inspire you. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced crocheter, these designs ideas perfect for you. From sweet and simple to intricate elegance, we will show you how to create a beautiful texture using yarn and techniques, plus got tips on how to customize, how to create unique colors, size and embellishment to fit your style and size. If you want more information about how to knit this design, how to create beautiful keychain designs ideas and many more question, if you want to see more ideas, so please tell me in comment section which type of new video you want to see in my YouTube channel. I will upload next video about your comment. And as a bonus, we will give you a snack peek into our upcoming tutorial on how to customize, how to create crochet baby frocks design, crochet baby booties design, crochet keychains, crochet home decoration ideas and ladies dresses, bags designs, caps and many more accessories. Feel free to experiment with different yarn, color and embellishment to make this project unique and special. You can also add a personal touch with a special message. If you want to see more ideas about how to knit this design full DIY tutorial, so please tell me in comment section. I will upload full DIY tutorial for you. Please be share your creativity with us on different social media accounts using hashtag. Check out our next new more videos about crochet work and knitting work. Okay viewers, see you in the next video and please like this video. Please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for more ideas, more collection. Okay viewers, take care. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.